Good evening, y'all. Look, I got me a lemon pepper rotisserie chicken, and I am about to make a homemade chicken soup. It's fall time, and you know it's time for our soups going into the winter, so I'm about to debone this chicken and get the meat off of it, and I'll be back. Let's break this little chicken apart. You know, I definitely want that back right here. That back gives the best flavor. You catch that chicken like that, and catch that back. We're gonna take these bones and we're gonna take the back and stuff. We're gonna make our own chicken stock. So let's get that back. Get that back off of here. Yeah. They may have some pieces of chicken left on it too. Put it all there in the pot. Let me put that in that silver pan over there. Yeah, we're gonna make us a homemade chicken soup, baby. Y'all know that canned soup be so salty. So, I like making my own. So let me break this chicken apart. And we're gonna get with it. Alright, y'all. That's the bones. We about to boil down to make a little chicken stock. And this is the chicken. Alright. Alright, that's when we got good chicken stock. Because you know your chicken soup, your chicken noodle soup is going to be just as good as your stock is. That's what's going to make it. So, we're going to put those chicken bones back into the water. This is about 3 quarts of water, y'all. About 3 quarts of water. You can put them chicken bones in there. Let's put, where's my knife at? Where's my knife? Where's my knife? All right, we're gonna put 2 stalks of celery in there, and you don't have to cut these no particular way. I'm gonna just cut them big like that because you're just boiling this. So I'm just gonna cut it like that. You want 2 stalks of celery. Throw it in there like that. You want 2 whole carrots. I'm cutting. I can just break these carrots. Put these carrots in there like that. Just break them in there. I like them. Right? I'm gonna put 1/2 onion in there. I'm just gonna take it and cut it. Cut it. Take a 1/2 onion and cut it like that. Throw that in there. I'm using 1 big clove of garlic. These called elephant cloves. The elephant garlic, so that's 1 big one like that. This equal about 5 to 6 cloves of garlic by itself. So I'm just gonna cut it in chunks and throw that in there. And that's all we're gonna put in there for that seasoning. Right. Right. Let's put some dry seasoning in there. I'm using Himalayan pink salt. I think that's the better salt. Let me judge, you know, I know how to judge with my hand. So that's 1 teaspoon. That's 2 teaspoons. I'm sorry, yeah, teaspoon. So I'm gonna do 3 teaspoons of pink Himalayan salt. Like I said, you can always add more later. I'm gonna use 1 teaspoon of Slap Your Mama. Okay. I'm going to put some black pepper. So I'm going to do about a teaspoon of black pepper. Okay. I'm going to put, of course, some, let me see, some garlic powder. So about 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. You know, our chicken is seasoned, really. Our chicken is roasted already. Come on, garlic powder. Come on. Come on, garlic powder. Let's find out how that garlic powder can clunk up. Okay. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Let's do 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Yeah. Your soup go by your broth. Okay. Onion powder. And I'm about to do some thyme. I don't have any fresh thyme, so I'm going to use dry thyme. And about a teaspoon of that. Let's see. That's too much there. Too much. Right there. Teaspoon of dry thyme. And that is it. Let me get my spoon. Get my spoon and stir all this in here. And I got one more thing. I'm gonna do 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 bay leaves. Stir this all together. All right. Now, I'm gonna put my pot on medium. What I got it on? Let me put it on medium high. And we're gonna let this boil for about 45 minutes, y'all. Where the top is? Where's the top? All right, so about 45 minutes. Gotta take. All right, y'all. It's been about 45 minutes, and look at that. Our stock is ready, and oh, do it smell good. Let me put this top over here. Ooh, it's hot. Y'all see it? Let me see. I tilt it. I don't want to tilt it, so I'm about to take it. Y'all see that? Everything that broke down in here. Those chicken bones, the carrots, the onion, the garlic. So I'm turning this off, and I'm about to go over there and get my colander and about to strain it. All right. All right, y'all. Look, this is what your chicken stock look like after you then boiled it and strained it for 45 minutes. And what I do is I take the 2 carrots out and I smush them up and I put them back into the stock. Gives it a good flavor. All right, now let's combine everything else to make this chicken noodle soup. All right, y'all. I got my cast iron soup pot out. I call it my over pot. So you want to put in there that other half of onion. Oh, I got about 3 tablespoons of olive oil in here. So you want to put that in there. You want to put 2 stalks of celery. And saute this down a little bit till it gets translucent. Let's add a few mushrooms. Add those mushrooms in there. You want a good chicken soup. All of these are good properties for your health when you need chicken noodle soup. And you want fresh stuff. Make sure you have fresh onion, fresh garlic. Make sure it's fresh. That'll make that soup help you out more in the wintertime when you catch that cold. All right, it's been about 5 minutes. Let's add, no, been about 3 to 5 minutes. Now let's add that fresh garlic in there. When you're making chicken noodle soup, make sure you do fresh garlic. That garlic really help you in the wintertime. You got a cold. So throw that garlic in there. All right, it's been about 3 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes. Let's go and deglaze this down. Let's go and put our chicken stock in there. Let's put our chicken stock. And we're gonna build these flavors up with the chicken stock. Then we're gonna put our peas and carrots in there, our chicken, then our noodles. All right. All right, y'all, been letting this simmer for about 10 minutes. The broth with the seasonings. Now what I'm about to do is, top over here. All right, let's add the peas. Let's add the peas and carrots to this. Let's add 1 thing of frozen peas and carrots. Okay, stir that in there. Also, let's add our noodles. I'm using fettuccine noodles because I wanted a thicker noodle. So, I'm gonna drop that in there. We're gonna let these cook about in 4 minutes. And then all we have to do is add the chicken to it and let this simmer down for just 5 more minutes. And that is how you make a good vegetable soup without all that salt in there. Alright. So we got that in there, we got that in there. Something just fell on the floor, I'll pick it up later. Alright. So let me stir these noodles in here. Alright, let me get the top. Get the top and let this come to a boil for about 4 minutes. 4 to 5 minutes. Let's see where I'm at. Alright, y'all, it's been about 5 minutes. Because we don't want to overcook those noodles. So it's been about 5 minutes. Ooh, it smells good. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes. And now I can add the chicken to it. Let's add our rotisserie chicken. And this is going to complete the process. Put this pot there, the oil fill. There we go. Add the chicken. I took it and I cubed it up. Yeah. I'm going to post all my soup recipes to y'all. I got them all on my phone. I haven't posted them yet, so y'all will get to see the this chicken noodle soup here. Y'all will get to see the beef and vegetable soup, the crawfish and shrimp corn bisque, and the taco soup. And these are some fall soups or winter soups that you can do when it get cold. And some healthy soups like this. Healthy soups. Healthy soups like this when you got a cold or something and you need something good and hearty. You don't want that stuff off the can. All right. Let me put the top on this and let it simmer for about 5 minutes and we'll be ready to eat, y'all. All right, y'all, it should be ready. It should be ready. There we go. Let's turn this off. Let's turn it off. Let me put the top over here. All right. There go our chicken noodle soup. There we go. All right. Look at there, look at there. This smells good. Just to let y'all know, because I tell y'all, I don't like to mislead you all. I added a little more. I added about a teaspoon more of pepper, and about another teaspoon of salt. And I also added some fresh parsley. Yeah. So there we go, y'all. We about to taste test it. As soon as it cool off. Let this cool so that we gonna taste it. And this is how you make Zeke's chicken noodle soup. All right, there go my get well chicken noodle soup for y'all that might get sick in the fall or the winter. Yeah, with the flu, cold, or God forbid, I hope no one catch the corona. Yeah, let's taste it. Hey y'all, what's up? How y'all doing? Zeke the blind man, the blind cook, whatever. Y'all like these glasses? My sister left these glasses here. I don't know, they might be too big for my face. I don't know, they look okay? I might take them. Oh well, no, she gonna know I got them now, so I gotta give them back. Oh my goodness. Let me taste this soup. Let me take these glasses off. Everybody know I'm blind right now. My eyes two different colors. One green, one blue, one pink, one gray. I don't know. Let's taste this soup, y'all. This is something good for you to eat. When I tell you, you can't beat this. No, this is no Campbell's right here. This is Ezekiel's chicken noodle soup. Yeah. This is so good. I love all kind of soups, but this is my favorite. It's the easy. Easy get well soup. And flavorful. You know what I like about it? It's flavorful. And it's not all that salt in there. Campbell's have so much salt. I know they gotta preserve it. And then when you try to buy the low sodium, they charge you more. Ain't that a I got hold to one of my mushrooms. I love mushrooms. All right, y'all. Wait. I'm going to find me some saltine crackers. Yeah. Like I say, you seen me make it. Go make you some. Bye, y'all. God bless.